Thank you so much. God bless, and you have a fantastic day. Continue to stay safe now, guys, until we know the truth about what's going on. Please continue to stay safe. Hello, y'all. Welcome back to the kitchen. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Today is Monday, September 28th, and I mentioned that because it's the day after my birthday. Yesterday, the 27th, I celebrated my 50th birthday. Yes, it was awesome. And of course, I did not cook. We enjoyed some Red Lobster takeout yesterday for my birthday. So all I wanted just to spend time with the family. You know, after you get a certain age, certain things don't matter no more. It's just about family for me. So that's what I did. I spent time with the family on my birthday. We enjoyed some Red Lobster. So I'm cooking today, and here in this bowl I have 4 chicken legs and 4 thighs that I have trimmed excess fat from. I have sliced them. The skin, I don't like how the skin look on this one, so I'm just going to take it off. Since this one to hang off like that and look all sloppy, I'm just going to take it off. And this is it's in vinegar water. This water has vinegar in it. So I'm gonna rinse these off a second time with some fresh water, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, welcome back. Here's the chicken, nicely washed and cleaned up. And so let's make a little marinade. So you know how I love me some Walker's with jerk marinade. I'm almost out. I gotta go get another one. Jade will have a fit if there's no marinade in the house, in the kitchen. If no jerk marinade is here. When she cooks for herself, she loves to make her jerk shrimp or some jerk chicken breast, but if it's up to her, she'll have jerk shrimp every day. And since I love for her to cook for herself as a young lady, then I have to make sure she has what she needs. Okay, I'm going to add just a smidgen of minced ginger to this. I'm going to add a smidgen of olive oil. And I just realized my oven is not preheating. So let me get this on 400 to preheat right now. Okie dokie. We're gonna order black pepper. Oh, all the black pepper. So that's black pepper. Garlic powder. Ooh. Why can't I open this? Seasoning salt. Paprika. Of course, Old Spice, and it's in this container because I bought a big bag from Amazon, and I just had to pour some in a container. I didn't want to use my mason jars, don't know why, but that's allspice. I'm thinking I'm gonna add a little poultry seasoning, And here's what I'm looking for back here. This is my pimento and ginger. Of course, if you don't have this, you can always buy just buy some ground ginger. I'm going to mix this all together real well. Normally I like to have chicken like this. I like to have it marinating over time, overnight or for a couple hours. Today doesn't permit that. I was busy and I let the time go. I wasn't paying attention much to the time. I think I'm still having birthday blues. Okay, so let me get in here with my hand and let me get these chicken pieces all covered up with this marinade. Yep. Oh yes. I was worried like, did you make enough marinade, girl? But I did. This is enough. Chicken is all lathered up really good. They all coated very well. Very, very well. Okay, we're waiting on the oven to preheat. I will see you back in just a jiffy. So guys, the oven is preheated 450. So we are going to get our chicken on. But before I do that, and in this spirit of easy cleanup, I'm going to lay this pan with wallpaper. You know, being a Jamaican, I didn't always do things to make things, make things easier for myself. I always thought I had to do everything the hard way because that's what shows strength. I want to tell y'all that's crap, okay? So I'm laying this pan so that when I finish tonight, I can take this off and easily wash this with soap and water and have to do no soaking. So let's lay this chicken on here, get it in the oven, and then we're gonna get started on our rice and peas, okay? My Jade is getting ready to leave me for the night. She's going to be with her best friend. So she's gone for the night. So this is for me and hubby for today and tomorrow. Maybe lunch tomorrow. I don't know. Depending on how we feel. We're going to use that in the gravy. So that's not going anywhere. So guys, let me get this in the oven. 400. I put it on the bottom shelf right now, not the top one. Because I'm doing it uncovered for 1 hour. Okay, so guys, let's move over here just for a bit. Hope you can see this. This is my pot for my rice and peas. I'm actually never done this before, but I'm using the canned kidney beans. I don't like using the canned kidney beans for rice and peas for the simple fact that your rice looks white. I like the red flavor when you use the dried kidney beans. But to my surprise, I was out. So it's time to order another big bag. Anyway, I have about 3 cups of water in here. Getting ready to start boiling. To this water, I'm going to add this can of bean, liquid and everything included. Has a little redness in there. Put a little water in there, shake this around, and pour it in there. Just a smidgen. So there's a little bit more than a smidgen, so I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna start seasoning it up right now. So here I have a little bit of fresh thyme. Over here I have some green onions I already washed, cutting off the not so beautiful pieces off of it. And I'm gonna cut it in big pieces and put in here. So this is the green onions I'm putting in there. That was bay leaf, 2 bay leaves. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna put in there for now. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. I have fresh coconut milk. I'm gonna get some coconut milk ready and some other seasonings. And when this is boiling, I'll come back and show you how I'm finished seasoning this up, okay? Okay, wait a minute, guys. I forgot the garlic. So let's also add a little minced garlic in here. Okay, I'll see you back shortly. Okay, guys. So the peas I've been cooking with those seasonings for maybe 20 minutes now. So let's season it up a little further. I have my 2 cups of coconut milk here. Oh, and I did put 1 Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Now in the bowl here for seasonings, I have salt. I have seasoning salt. I have garlic powder. I have my vegetable, vegetable and broth seasoning. And I have my Jamaican, let me check what it is. This Spice Supreme Soul Food Seasoning. This is the vegetable broth seasoning that I also have in here. So I'm going to put all this in here. And I have a little bit more than half a stick of butter. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to let that cook for 5 minutes or so and come back. I already washed my rice and I'm going to come back and put it in there, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, so it's probably been cooking more, I think I said 6 minutes. It's probably been cooking more like 10 minutes. So I'm going to taste this and make sure it doesn't need any more salt or anything. Okay, that's perfect. So I have my rice. It's about 2.5 cups of rice. This is basmati, guys. Already washed. We have 17 minutes left on the first hour of the chicken. You know what I just thought about doing for you? Since you never remember. So guys, I will see you back more than likely when the chicken is done in 16 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can hear, the oven is beeping. It's calling my name. So I'm gonna take the chicken out now. Moving the camera back. Ooh, Jesus. The heat. Oh, they are looking quite lovely, I must say. Okay, why the heck can't I find my pot holder here? Yes, they are looking quite lovely. So guys, what I'm gonna do with the sauce from the chicken here, oh Lord forgive me, I'm gonna pour it onto here, in this pot here. Oh, I don't want that dripping in the oven. I gotta wipe that off over here. I'm gonna put this back in the oven, guys, for maybe 10 minutes and turn it down from 400 to 350. Oh, I'm going. Okay, set it down. Lord help me. 350. Okay, now let's move over here. First, let's have you take a look at the rice. Let me grab a fork. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Lovely. So I'm just gonna, see there's still a little moisture on the corner there. So I'm gonna leave the foil paper and the lid on this on low. Then let me turn this burner on and we're gonna move over here. I hope you can see, this is the juice I just got from the chicken. Now here's the bowl that it was seasoned in. I'm going to add a bit of water, stir this up and pour it in here too. I will bring me back something nice too. Bring me back something nice too.
I'll try.
You know to call me or text me when you get there, right? And keep me up to
Yes,
date.
of course.
Okay, and pay attention to your surroundings.
Yes, of course.
And tell the boys your family is crazy. Mm-hmm. Better. Okay, guys, so I'm going to pour this in here. I have a few slices of onions in there because I'm chopping up some vegetables as I'm cooking. I didn't get time to saute them. I don't think it's going to hurt any. So I'm going to bring this up. I'm steaming some broccoli Normandy over here. Okay guys, I'll come back when this is come up to a boil, okay? So guys, it's boiling, so I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup in here. I wish my husband would stop buying hot and spicy ketchup, but my big head itself, I complained about it before, and he did make sure he always have a regular one too. So put some more in there. Won't hurt. Do not like that ketchup come hot and spicy. I'm gonna add a little more chopped veggies to this and cook this down for a couple minutes. Okay. Alright guys, dinner is it should be ready in just a few. See you soon. Okay, guys. So I just turned off the burner on the jerk gravy. I wanted to tell you I added just a teaspoon of sugar in there to combat a little of the tangy ketchup taste. Now let's move over. So guys, I wanted to show you something as I was plating it up to put on a plate to show you with the gravy. The skin is so nice and crispy, but look, it is so moist on the inside. It was falling apart. I couldn't pick it up. So let me show you. Look at that. So moist on the inside. So with that being said, if you didn't want to have gravy, maybe you wanted to have some sauce on the side and eat this with something other than some rice, then there you go. Nice. It's you know, it's like when you make fried chicken and the skin is nice and crispy and the inside is just moist and yummy. That's what we have here. So now I'm moving on over here, and let's put some of the gravy on this and show you, my friends, what we have here. Okay, guys, isn't that beautiful? So that is some jerk chicken with some jerk gravy. I'm gonna come back and fix me a plate. I am so tired, so give me a second, guys. But there you have it, oven made jerk chicken with jerk gravy. So good.